Hey everybody, Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So just a super quick video on how to swap out your Dolphin Sigma robotic pool cleaner filters. Let's get that going right now. Alright you guys, so as you know, when you buy the Dolphin Sigma robotic pool cleaner, it comes with its own sets of filters. It comes with a set of sand filters and a set of regular fine filters. So it doesn't matter which set of filters we're talking, the process is exactly the same. For video purposes, this is a replacement set of the sand filters. I'll put a link in the description where you can find these. If you need a replacement set, it'll be in the description. Be sure and like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get to it. I'm going to show you guys how to swap these things out. Super easy. Anybody should be able to do it. Now, this particular set of filters, it is a 4-pack. It will take care of your whole robotic cleaner. These will also work in your Maytronics or your Dolphin Odyssey, the M200, the M400, the M500, the Nautilus, the C3, the C4, the Oasis, a Z51, the Sigma, a whole bunch of different things these are compatible with. So let's open them up. There should be 4 of them in here. Alright, here's your filters, you guys. So they just look like that. They look exactly like the ones we're swapping out. Alright you guys, so to swap out these filters, you just simply open up the top latch of the Sigma robot, like this. Lift out the cartridge. You'll notice on the top of here, there's a couple of latches. You'll turn those latches to unlock the actual filters, and then the filters will come loose. Now those may have a bunch of dirt inside, so you want to take those somewhere where you can rinse those off really good. And where you're changing out the filters, you're going to want to clean out the actual cartridge holder really well. So you take off the old filters. They just slide right out. But this is the part that you're going to want to rinse off with water and get really clean. Rinse this out as well. Get this really clean before you put the new filters on it. So just get this really clean. Okay, I set the old filters off to the side right here. There's the old ones. Like I say, this part, you want to make sure you get it really cleaned off really good. No dirt or silt or anything left in it. Also, you guys, don't be afraid to clean out the inside of the Sigma. If it's got any silt down in here where the cartridge sits, just wash that out really quick. Alright, so your next step is to put in your new filters. And so if you look right here, you've got these holes right in the bottom. This is where your new filter is going to clip into. Just make sure those holes go into those pegs go into those little holes right there. They should just line up and pop right in. There they go. And then the top will clip right in there into those notches that are cut out. Do the same for the other side. Make sure the little bag's not hanging over the holes there. Just line up the pegs with the holes on the bottom. Might have to push it in a little bit. The top again, you'll kind of want to push into the notches there. You've got your clips. Just slide those over so that they lock. And this cartridge is all ready to drop down into your Sigma or your robotic pool cleaner. And just make sure the bottom slot is lined up with the vacuum suction. Drop it down in. Clip the lid closed. Alright, so rinse and repeat for the back side. Pun intended, you guys. Take out the old cartridge. Open her up. Set the old ones aside. Wash it off. Nice and clean. Wash out the Sigma, sand and silt out. Get your new cartridges in here. You want the bars facing outward. Put your little pegs down in the holes here. These can only go in one way, by the way, so they're idiot proof. I know they say if they make it idiot proof, the world will produce a better idiot, and it is true. And you just lock these guys in, you line up your hole with the cartridge in the bottom of your Sigma Pool Robotic cleaner. Drop it in, lock down the lid, and you're ready for some major pool cleaning. Alright, so a quick bonus tip, you guys. Keep your pool robot's impeller clean. So it's this unit right here on top of the bot. This thing sucks in all of the water, and once in a while you'll get like hair, or we get these palm fronds, these strings off these palm trees, this stringy stuff, and it'll get wrapped around this little impeller every once in a while. So make sure you keep this thing clean. If you get hair or whatever wrapped around this, it will slow down your bot, or it could even ruin it or damage the impeller. It's one thing you want to keep clean. So just a pro tip right there, you guys. Alright, you guys, it's time to throw our Sigma robotic pool cleaner back in the pool and let it do its thing now that it's got some brand new sand filters. So here we go. And away she goes. Alright, so hopefully this video is really helpful. Please be sure and leave a comment. Also like and subscribe to my channel. Check out these other videos, and I'll catch you guys later.